Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw customer feedback from SurveyMonkey step by step clearly. To withdraw customer feedback from SurveyMonkey, begin by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Surveys section on your dashboard. Find the survey from which you want to withdraw feedback. Click on the survey title to open the survey overview page. In the overview, locate the Responses tab and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to view all responses received. To download the feedback, look for the Export button typically found near the top right corner of the page. Click the Export button to see the available formats for downloading the responses. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the Export button to initiate the download. The feedback will then be compiled and sent to your email or downloaded directly to your device, based on your selection. Once the download is complete, open the file to review the gathered customer feedback. Ensure to save the file in a secure location for future reference. If you require only specific data, you may also filter responses before exporting. Utilize filters to refine your data based on certain criteria, like date range or response status. After applying filters, repeat the export process to download the filtered responses. Now, your customer feedback is successfully withdrawn from SurveyMonkey for analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.